What if I told you the next billionaire is not building factories, not raising millions, sitting behind a laptop using AI? Sounds crazy, but it's already happening. Right now, a silent shift is taking place. Some people are making more money in 1 year than traditional businesses make in a decade. No employees, no offices, no huge investments, just AI and leverage. The real question is, how is AI creating an entirely new class of billionaires? More importantly, who's getting left behind? Let's rewind for a second. In the past, building $1 billion company meant scale, factories, supply chains, thousands of workers. Think about companies like Amazon, Apple, and or Tesla. Huge infrastructure, huge capital, huge risk. AI just changed the rules. Now, one person can do the work of 10, even 100 people. Writers replaced by AI tools, designers assisted by AI, coders accelerated by AI co-pilots. What used to take months now takes days. What used to cost thousands now costs almost nothing. Let me give you a real example. There are solo founders today running AI-powered businesses, making hundreds of thousands, even millions per year. No team, just systems. They create content using AI, sell digital products, automate customer service, run ads, optimize funnels, all with AI. And here's where it gets interesting. Big companies are still moving slow, meeting approvals, layers of management. Individuals with AI, they move fast. In business, speed wins. Here's the truth most people don't realize. AI is not just a tool, it's a leverage machine. In the past, leverage came from money or people. Now it comes from intelligence, artificial intelligence. The people becoming rich right now aren't necessarily the smartest or the most experienced. They're the fastest learners. They understand one thing. AI multiplies output. If you know how to use it, you don't compete with people anymore. You compete with systems. And systems scale infinitely. That's how one person can build something that reaches millions. That's how small creators are becoming massive businesses. Quietly. What can you learn from this? Simple. The opportunity is not in watching AI, it's in using it. Right now, we're early. Just like the internet in the 90s or social media in the 2000s. The people who win are the ones who act early. Learn AI tools, experiment, build something small. Because in this new world, skills matter more than degrees. Speed matters more than perfection. And execution beats everything. A few years from now, people will look back and say, AI created more billionaires faster than any technology in history. The only question is, will you be one of them? Or just someone who watched it happen? If you want more stories like this, about money, business, and the hidden systems behind success, make sure you stick around because the next big opportunity might already be here.